Well, get on the package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see what we got in here. This looks like the bottom of the box. So let's go ahead and slice our way in. Okay, let's see what we got here. Manifest. Real quick here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Got a bunch of stuff. Right. So right away, I can see here we have a U.S. military poncho liner. And let's see if we find a tag. You see here, this looks to be a woodland pattern. Tag is very new. Liner wet weather poncho. And this is from Winston-Salem Industries for the Blind. So here we have our typically stitched on edge, our tie-offs, and you can see here the pattern. And there you go. So, U.S. military poncho liner. Next up, let's see if we can get this open quickly. In its own little plastic bag, we have U.S. M8A1 Bayonet Scabbard repaired. So I'm not sure what was actually repaired on here, but you can see it has used brass fittings there. There's your US M8A1. That's steel. Oh, that's steel. That's steel. That's probably your kind of aramid or fiberglass material. And we even have a wire hook there on there as well. So kind of a replacement U.S. M8A1 Bayonet Scabbard repaired. This packaging out of the way. Next up, we have two of these. Let's see if we can get one open right now. Okay, I decided to go ahead and open both of them because they're very interesting looking. And these are two of the US M31 M1 Garand rifle grenade storage tubes. So here you can see on the outside the markings, lot numbers, grenade rifle practice M31 inert without cartridges, grenade rifle 30 cal M3, both of them. And the markings at the bottom. All sorts of storage, dust, the end caps with the stamping container markings there. This one has a little bit of a dent, which is fine. Let's see what's on the bottom. Similar as well, so you can read it from both directions. Let's pull one of these tops off. You see it's that kind of strong multiple diameter tube style. It looks like they have a little air release hole. And yeah, look at that. They even have this little kind of storage buffers here. So see in there, the other side of the lid, two cardboard squares, and this rubber piece with a cone setup. So actually, I'm really curious now. Hold on a second. I'm just curious to see if this other sample that I have here would fit. But does not appear to. Interesting, though. Very close. So this would normally fit something like that, I guess, for support. Just to give you an idea. But just taking a quick look here. Working our way backwards. 2 of the US M31 M1 Garand rifle grenade storage tubes. See that there going on. And then we also had a US M8A1 bayonet scabbard repaired. And then we had started off with a US military poncho liner. These all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.